So, look at these. They are peach muffins with a crumble and some glaze. They came out really good. And someone wrote me and said, make sure you show the insides of what you bake. So that's the inside of one of the muffins. And I'm gonna taste a little bit. I'm gonna try and just get a little bit because I always put too much in my mouth. It is so good. Really good. I love peaches. This all came about because I had some extra peaches laying around and I thought, okay, I'll bake something with peaches in it. And I was gonna make a streusel cake. But it's easier for me to give things away if I make them like a muffin or a cupcake. So that's what I did. And so this recipe makes 24 muffins, depending on what size you make them. But I got 24 muffins and this little bitty loaf that I had planned to give to the neighbor next door. But it's really good. I may have to keep it for myself. I don't know. It's really, really good. Anyway, it's super duper good. Stay tuned for my dance and for the recipe and do all those things I love you to do. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thanks so much for watching. You know what this is called? I think it's the monkey. Not the monkey. I'll do the monkey next time. I should have did the monkey when I made monkey bread. The pony. Like you're riding a pony. I'm so bad at this. I think it is a pony. I just use the music that's in my head, which makes me think that I'm crazy. And you probably think I'm crazy too, because I keep on trying to dance. But anyway, so, hey, today I'm baking peach streusel muffins. I used fresh peaches, but you can use peaches out of the can. You actually could use almost any fruit you want. You can use blueberries, you could use blackberries, you could use raspberries, strawberries, so all the berries, of course. You can use peaches, as I did, because I love peaches and they're in season now. I like to use stuff that's in season. You can use apples, whatever, and I'm sure it's gonna come out great. I love the streusel that I use. I've used that a bunch of times for a bunch of different things, but I've never made these peach muffins before. So, you know me, try and experiment, see how they come out. I am looking forward to it. So, stay tuned for the recipe and watch me bake. And you don't have to watch me dance anymore. Put your aprons on and do those things I love you to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. That was almost singing, except for the fact that and I know I can't sing. So it was just almost singing. Stay tuned. So, we're gonna start by making a streusel. So that starts with 1 stick of butter. I use unsalted butter. I'm gonna add 1 cup of, see, I'm fussing already, and I don't even have the mixer out yet. 1 cup of flour. And even though this is just a streusel, I do a level measuring cup. 1 cup of nuts. I'm using pecans, but you can use walnuts. You can use your favorite nuts, whatever that may be. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. And I'm almost forgetting the most important thing. The teaspoon won't fit. I need to get a half a teaspoon. Here's 2 halves. Two halves. And I'm gonna add a cup of brown sugar. And that is all you need for the streusel. Stir it up well, put it in the refrigerator, and we'll get it back after we make the muffins. So, I just had a little catastrophe. It's okay. We all survived. My whole ring light and camera and everything fell, and it fell across all my stuff because you know I have all my stuff laid out before I get started, and it threw it all on the floor, and it was all at room temperature. So, and it was my last 4 eggs. So I was sitting here trying to figure out what I was gonna do. You know what I ended up doing after I figured it out? Was go to the store and buy some more eggs. Sometimes I think I'm so smart, and then it's like I realize that I'm not as smart as I think. Like with a cake, these muffins, we're gonna cream the butter and sugar first. I don't think I've ever baked this late in my adult life because I'm usually in bed by now. But I wanted to get this done tonight. Add the sugar. Okay, now I'm going to add the eggs one at a time or so. So those eggs weren't quite room temperature. They had only been sitting out about 30 minutes. The difference, one of the differences with these muffins is I'm using sour cream instead of milk. I picked up the light sour cream just because that's the kind I always get whenever I'm getting sour cream. But you could get the full fat or whatever sour cream. It doesn't make, it's really not that big a difference. But it makes me think it is a big difference. Ha 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 ha. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but the sour cream kind of made a mess on my guard, so I am going to take it off for the rest. I can't believe I'm not using my guard. Oh, I love that so much. Next, we add the exciting part. We're gonna fold this in by hand. So I took the peaches and I put flour on them, and you put the flour on the fruit so that it doesn't sink to the bottom of the muffins, but it's still gonna sink some. That's just what happens. Okay, take the beater off. It's so funny, I think about this all the time. I know I talk about this all the time, about licking the bowl in the beater as I was a kid. And I don't like to waste anything on the beater because there's no one to lick it. Well, there's someone to lick it, but I refuse to lick it. I'm afraid that I might get salmonella or whatever that you get from raw eggs. And here are the peaches. About 2 cups, cup and a half to 2 cups. Depends how peachy you want it. I like mine pretty peachy. I love peaches. And this is the time of the year for peaches. So I'm gonna take a spatula and fold them in gently. You don't want to smush them. Just so you know, you can make this with your favorite fruit. I love peaches. It's summer, so peaches seem like a good idea. But you know, you can get canned peaches anytime during the year. So, but you can make it with blueberries, blackberries, cherries, apples, whatever your favorite fruit is. So now I'm also gonna get the streusel out of the refrigerator. Look how it is. It came out very nice. I'm gonna get the muffin tins. An ice cream scoop, 2 ice cream scoops as a matter of fact. A big one and a little one. So, this is how it gets put together. A scoop of batter. This is good. A scoop of batter. And then a scoop of the streusel. I'm gonna put this in a 350 degree oven for about 22 minutes. I'll let you know. See you back here. Here we go. Out of the oven, I let them cool completely. They look good. And I made a little glaze to put on top. Nothing fancy. Recipe in the description. It's just a little confectioner sugar, a little milk. I used almond milk because you know me, have very little cow's milk in my house. Because you just need a little. I didn't want to open up a whole one of those cartons. Anyway, see, there you go. Peach muffins with a crumble and a glaze and a catastrophe in the middle, but we all survived. So, you know what? I love you for watching. It's thundering and lightning outside, but anyway, I love you for watching, and do all those things I always ask you to do. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share. See you next time, when who knows what I'll make. It's so funny, I'm so far off my schedule. Before I started this whole YouTube thing, I had 20 things I wanted to bake. I baked the first 4, and then I've been off track ever since. But I like that. I like experimenting. I like when people give me suggestions. I like all that stuff. So you can do all that stuff in the description. I mean, in the comments if you want. Anyway, here we go. Muffins. Peach muffin with glaze. See you next time.